Easy to install. The Pyle in wall A, B speaker selector switch installs in a junction box, just like a light switch. Fits standard electrical junction gang boxes. Makes it simple and easy to direct your home amplifier audio to 2 sets of speakers. Push-button operation. The smart indoor-outdoor speaker control features a convenient and simple push-button selection which makes operation a breeze. Activating or deactivating the A speakers, B speakers, is as easy as a push of a button. Configurations. Featuring 3 configurations to choose from. Select A speakers, B speakers, or both A and B, A plus B speakers. The easy push-button operation allows you to activate or deactivate your preferred set of speakers quickly. Universal compatibility. The 2-channel speaker controller is compatible with all audio and video systems, making it a wise choice to add to your home theater system. Also features up to 120-watt power load handling and terminal block speaker connectors. Standard size. It features a universal standard wall plate size. The included Decora-style wall plate frame cover means this switch will unobtrusively blend into your wall and allows for a clean installation on your walls. Connector type. USB. Top reviews from the United States. Great switch for smaller speaker wire. The switch works very well and allows you to play each set separately or at the same time. The feel is good when switching and feels like quality. The plate fits well and has a good finish of white. Fits a standard electric box and there was room for all the wires, no problem. It's going to be hard to use larger speaker wire. I used a cheap 16 gauge as it's for garage speakers or patio speaker. I was able to strip very small end of the wire and lock them in good with no wire hanging out of port. I tried to use pin connectors but the ports were too close together to get them all in there. I will be buying another when I install the pool to control speakers out there. For the money you can't go wrong.